This is the OnePlus 10 Pro versus Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max speed test comparison. So both these are high-end flagship devices comes in this package. OnePlus got 80 watts of power brick inside and Apple comes in this small box ditching the power brick, which is simply their money-making move. This is gonna be an exciting battle cause it's 8 Gen 1 silicon inside OnePlus versus A15 Bionic CPU in Apple. 12 gigs of RAM versus 6 gigs of RAM, and also I'll be sharing some camera samples in the end, so make sure to watch it full. Now booting both these devices, here we go. OnePlus versus Apple. ColorOS 12.1 versus iOS 15.3, latest OS on both. Okay, so that is quick on Apple iPhone and OnePlus was like 2-3 seconds late. So now dialer, and that is fast on both. Messages, same. Play Store versus App Store, and that is quick on OnePlus, the listings and all. Now camera, and that is same on both. The front facing shooter is quick on OnePlus. Settings, fast on Apple, and I wanna show you guys the design difference. Hole punch versus in notch, both got high refresh rate and high resolution on OnePlus. Now opening some heavy games and apps. So Angry Birds, now you'll see the real difference, and I've turned off all the battery saving mechanism. The performance mode is on both, and that is way fast on OnePlus. Apple was a tiny bit late, not a huge difference at all. So now Genshin Impact, an amazing high graphic game. Yeah, I play this a lot, cost like 15 gigs in total, so for sure a massive game. Okay, so in this one clearly OnePlus was like way fast than Apple, and that is a difference of 15 to 20 seconds.
That it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we've got it. Now...
So the gaming session was amazing on both these devices, no lags whatsoever, both running on high refresh rate and high graphics. Mortal Kombat, that's a fighting action game. You can play this against PC and yeah, in this one Apple wins by a small margin. So now PUBG, yeah, I play this a lot, 4 to 5 hours continuous, and you can play this with your friends. So in this one, without any doubt, Apple is a clear winner. Playing this in max out settings. So again, the gaming session was super smooth. These are flagship devices and the gaming experience is like perfect. Now opening Gangster Vegas. That is a high graphic game like GTA. You can drive cars or hit anyone. That's a free world game. This again is quick on Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. So in 2 games OnePlus won, and in 3 games Apple won by small margin. Now some internet based apps like Instagram, and that is, I would say, same on both. My profile, that is fast on OnePlus. Now Reddit, fast on Apple. Some rendering and exporting stuff, Microsoft Word 50 MB document, and I can tell you guys, literally no device can beat Apple in this one, and same is the case in this one too. So clearly OnePlus was not that fast. So now Adobe Rush exporting a 1080p video file, and that is like 5 times fast on Apple. Apple got fast storage and A15 Bionic CPU, which is powerful of course. So in rendering and exporting stuff, Apple is the king. Now RAM management, test and dialer, Play Store versus App Store, and that is a refresh on Apple, which is shocking. Angry Birds, and that is a refresh on Apple once again. Genshin Impact, refresh on both. Mortal Kombat, OnePlus is reloading it right now. PUBG, they're in both. Gangster Vegas, Instagram, Reddit, and settings, that is again a refresh on Apple. So in most games and rendering exporting stuff, Apple won without any doubt, but in some games, system apps and RAM management, OnePlus won clearly. So here's Geekbench, scores way high on Apple and less on OnePlus. And Tutu scores way high on OnePlus, the GPU is way better in OnePlus. So here are some images I shot using both these devices, and my initial impression, both have got an amazing camera in terms of dynamic range, white balance, color accuracy, saturation and contrast. Both these devices are awesome. You guys can see both these images side by side, and OnePlus and Apple got nearly accurate colors. The super wide and telephoto shot is decent on both. Best part is both are maintaining the details. Here's 4K 60 FPS, and you guys can see both got fine colors. The stabilization is perfect in both. Some indoor lighting shots and details in both. Now a selfie image, an iPhone always make the skin tone quite yellowish, but the dynamic range and cloth color is perfect in iPhone. OnePlus got skin tone nearly accurate and overall not a bad image at all. Some night low light images, and great job done by both. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.